Appliance Flipper. In this video, I'll show you how to install a thermistor on a Maytag Bravos XL dryer. For safety reason, unplug the power cord. Okay, with the dryer turned to the dryer turned, remove the two covers on the back. And you're gonna flip the control panel, click it to the front, remove the control board. Those two screws, you want to remove that so you can remove the lid. Tap the lid, remove that. These two screws, two on the left and two on the right. Remove that, detach the interior light and the door switch. Remove all the screws on the front, 9 screws. The front and the bottom. Remove the door. Remove the bulkhead. Remove the belt. If the belt no longer wrapped around the drum, you can pull it on out of the body of the dryer. Disconnect the two wires from the thermistor. And you're going to remove the 1/4-inch screws, one on the left and one on the right. And once you remove those two screws, just pull it off. Should be pretty easy. Now replace it with the tabs up, with the leads up. And you're going to screw the 1/4-inch screw back in, one on the left and one on the right. You can use your nut driver or a electric nut driver. I prefer the electric quicker, but you can do it with the regular nut driver. And then slide the wires onto the tab. Mission accomplished.